Okay, so my spouse and I have searched everywhere to try to find out what Little Bit is looking for. We have opened the closet door. We've moved boxes. We have checked behind the closet door. The only thing that's over there on the other side of that wall is a red bag that has Damien's pillow and his blanket that he had before he passed away. But that was almost 2 years ago, if not 3 years, because we got Little Bit about 6 months after Damien's passing. Can't seem to find out what he's looking for. If anybody has a clue how we can find out when we've pulled everything out of the closet already, and why he keeps licking this baseboard right here, like as if there's something in the wall. Little Bit. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? I hear a little bit. I hear that usually whenever they mark, he's sat down over here 3 times and just put his butt down on the floor and stood staring at this location. Like he knows there's something in there, but there's not. It's just clothes and that red bag. See? What is it, buddy? What is it? What's over there? What you watching? What you watching for? Are you watching something? What's over there? What you watching? What's in there? What is it? Is there something in the wall? Hey. What is that? What's wrong? What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? Are you watching? What is it? What's in the wall? Hey, love it.